Hello, I am Cheryl Kramer-Kay, and I am coming to you from my bathroom where I'm standing here in all of my pre-wash up for bed glory. If we haven't met, I am a beauty editor and I am obsessed with skincare. I am always trying to find out more about what causes damage to our skin and what we can do to repair it so that we can look young and fresh. So I don't want to come across as a know-it-all, but I think it is safe to say that I am a know-it-most. And that is why I was really surprised that I had never heard of an anti-aging peptide called Age-Repair Defensins. And that is not until I was introduced to a skincare line called DefenAge. So the role of peptides is to send messages between cells. So in your skin, a peptide might say, "Hey up there, make some more collagen." But unlike peptides that we've seen in the past that ask old existing cells to act younger, defensins actually trigger stem cells to create new young skin cells. So what does that mean for you? It means fewer wrinkles, smaller pore size, more even skin tone, less oil, but more hydration. Yes, please. In fact, DefenAge gives you the same anti-aging results that you would get with a retinol, but without the irritation and without the inflammation. So because I am a science kind of girl, the regimen I'm going to use is the very same one that was clinically proven to do all of those good things in a double-blind, placebo-controlled study. It's called the Clinical Power Trio.
We start with the 2-minute reveal mask, which you should use once or twice a week. It has 3 enzymes plus sugar crystals to gently exfoliate those dead surface cells. You apply it to dry skin with dry hands and massage it on for 20 seconds. Then let it sit for 2 minutes. Next, you'll wet your fingers and massage until the sugar dissolves. You'll feel its self-warming action, which helps the other DefenAge products penetrate. Then, we rinse. Take 2 pumps of the lightweight but super hydrating 24/7 Barrier Balance Cream and massage it on your face, neck, and décolleté, avoiding your eye area. DefenAge also has a fabulous eye cream, just not in this trio. Then, after half a minute, take 1 pump of your 8-in-1 BioSerum and dot it first around your eyes and then to the rest of your face and neck. I know it seems strange to apply your serum after your moisturizer, but in this case, having the cream on first helps deliver the high concentrations of defensins in the serum.
You are going to love how your skin looks more radiant and brighter right away, but you'll really start to see the results of DefenAge and Defensins after about 6 weeks. I am loving DefenAge. Dermatologists are loving DefenAge, and I think you will too. Pick up your own Clinical Power Trio at DefenAge.com, and if you put in the promo code Cheryl, then you will get free expedited shipping. Then later, I want you to come back and tell me how you like it.